Okay, we are going to actually be doing every run in Animal Company. Last time we didn't do them all, but that is because we didn't actually know how to do them all. And now there are new maps, so we've got to do it. Sorry about last time, and hope you enjoy. Okay, starting off with sewer. We're just going to go round.
Wait,
like
who's
that.
get? Do we get a
Question,
flashlight?
does chicken count as a run? Also, we are going to have to find Haunted Mansion again because they moved it again.
Again.
No, I did actually find a way to go to any map in this place, the end of any map, using a glitch. I got to the end of the new map, the end of Haunted Mansion, the end of sewers. Yeah. So down. Wait, no way.
What?
This fell out.
It missed. It's missed.
It missed. That fell out of a crate.
Really?
I know we have them unlocked now and the golden pickaxes, but from a crate is OP. That has to be rare.
Yeah, that's good for it.
And I got the crate from the ore. Okay, ready?
Try to go in the end.
Go, 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 go. Oh. Did you make it?
Made it. I'm coming down.
I'll catch you. Okay, let's go.
Why don't I forget which one I have to go to?
Go in.
Oh, that was easy.
No, that was actually quite quick, to be honest.
We're gonna try to do this as quick as we can.
Yeah. If we still do it quite slow, it's fine. We're just gonna try to do it fast. I would
Yeah, it doesn't
use a
matter.
hoverboard for this place, but I don't have them unlocked, so that's great. Just great.
Coming.
I hear the ghost lady. I hear the ghost lady. Luckily we don't.
Where do we have to go?
We don't have lights. Is that? Run! That's a puffer bomb. We don't have lights. Is that a good thing? Yes, we made it. Let's go.
That was quick.
Remember, the ones at the end give more. At least that's what I learned from Just Toasty, because I'm just a toasty boy. And at the end of this video, we will do our new celebration. Let's get mining. Don't get the tiny ones. It's not worth it.
The big one here.
That's decent. That's decent. The biggest size is massive. Okay. Pick it up. But I'll get this one. No. Got it. Let's get my pickaxe. The problem is, last time I was actually here, because we don't have the hip slot thing, we have to drop our pickaxe to pick stuff up. I once lost my pickaxe. Okay, I've got quite a few decent pieces. I'm gonna get the purple ore though. I got massive pieces.
Since when could you get purple gems from these?
I think you can get them from any. But that's not a bad thing. Hey guys, everyone watching, remember we haven't been here much at all. So if we do something wrong, please tell us in the comments. Or if we could do something better. Oh, these are massive. I don't know who's leaving the big ones here. Probably you, because I didn't. So like, that's not what I'm trying to say. But like, don't say I lost it. Okay. You lost your grappler.
We need a light.
It's not that dark.
For some reason it went back in my backpack.
How does that work? Okay, be careful.
I dropped it my backpack on accident.
I really need purple gems. Have you seen the biggest size you can get? No. It's massive, trust me. I've got a few in my bag. Duh. Not dying today. Oh god, run. You get them, okay, that's a lot.
I just got this massive bit.
Yeah, I know. That's the biggest bit you can get. Okay. I'm not going to go too risky with the amount. Did you die?
I hit an eye.
Did you die by it?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you come back?
I swear I heard you hit an eye. Wait, get my bag.
I don't know where you died.
Get my bag and get... Empty my bag.
I don't know where your bag is.
Put all the stuff I have in my bag into...
Found your bag. Found your bag. Let's try this. Let's try this trick. Okay. Oh, it's... Bag's full.
Your bag's full?
Yeah. Okay. Now put it in my bag.
Really?
No, it was full after I got your stuff.
Huh?
It got filled up completely after I got your stuff.
Okay, go back.
I'm gonna find the exit. This is the exit. Where? Oh, I'm at the end. Okay. I know that there's like 1 or 2 anglerfish and an ogre. Yep. Yes, but there's a massive big chungus in the way. When I say big chungus, I mean ogre. I wonder what's in here. Please be something good. A flare. A giant and 2 anglers.
Just try.
I need to get to the teleporter. 3, 2, 1. I did it.
You make me proud.
Okay. Okay, I had to throw out 2 walls because our bags combined left out 2 walls because it was full after 2 when there were 2 left.
No,
What?
dump out.
I'm gonna dump it. I'm gonna dump it from the middle layer.
And then I'm gonna get my stuff out and then put it there.
I don't think your stuff. Wait, there's no way that actually filled. Wait, did that fill it? Quick.
That's for you.
It was full.
At least we can see how much.
Is that it?
See how much
Oh.
one costs.
That's one. Wait. 1 medium. Oh, how much does 1 medium one cost? Because if it doesn't cost as much, I'm never doing this silver one again. Oh my god. The lava area has 600 each. Okay. Now for a mine run. Personally, I think a mine run is harder. Not harder, but worse. Oh yeah.
Can I borrow
need to
a
buy
grappler
I
to
need to
get-
buy you a pickaxe.
And a bag.
Pickaxe.
Doink.
Bag.
Doink.
But then go use my grappler to get yourself a grappler.
Doink.
Okay, see you in a few minutes.
Count how long it takes me.
But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You know what? I'm just going to tell you the number every like 15 seconds. Probably about 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay guys, I'm So, yeah, this is our celebration, by the way. I'll show you it so you can see what it is by the end of the video.
I just made it.
Okay, this is probably about 50. I'm not actually counting. I'm just gonna tell him a random number. That was a terrible flow. Hold on. I was trying to set. Okay, this is my life now. You're back? Nope. 1 minute 30. Damn. Yes, okay. on here? You joking?
How long?
You're back. It was 2 minutes.
That's not that bad, man. What are you doing?
But don't. Okay, who's using light? Oh, I got a few bags ready.
Wait, do we even need a light?
Yes. Probably
Why?
yes.
What way are we going? The easy way or the hard way?
Well, I mean, if we
Let's go the hard.
let's go down.
Let's go
Let's
the
go
hard
down
way.
to the pit. See if we can get a few gems. You nearly touched that landmine then.
Yeah, I was really close to
Yeah,
the
remember we're not going to the lava area.
Yeah. Our next run is the lava area.
Yeah, it is. Actually, no, it's not. It's Haunted Mansion.
True.
Actually, yeah. We're gonna have to find it again. They moved it. Me and Rocky, we were trying to find it. We were trying to find it again. We failed. Rocky killed me about 15,000 times. Yeah. Let's get some balls. They fell down.
Help me! Help!
Why do you need help?
Call the ambulance! Call the... Right now, for me though.
Walls are falling down.
Tony, come down. We're jumping the spot.
I'm getting more walls.
No, calm down. Calm down. Only collect big ores. I'm not going to collect the little ones.
There's one. Oh wait, we might as well close. Actually, no. Let's see how much we can earn. Let's earn as much as we can. Okay.
Let's jump the
If we
spider.
go
Right.
left, it will take us to the new map. If we go down again. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get these ores. Please get me some. Oh, okay. Where's the spider?
Oh, Rocky. Hey.
We're only getting
little
small ones.
There we go.
Yeah, and that's not even that big though. Got another medium one. Okay.
We only get the mediums. We only get the mediums.
Also, I know what gets spider's attention now. I found a spider. I know what gets its attention if you touch its web. Ready to jump it?
Jump it!
Oh
Jump
my
it!
god!
Jump it! Jump it!
Oh
Jump
my
it!
god! Get it! Get it! No way. He died. He actually died.
Bro, why did you do that?
As soon as you die, it drops a bunch of massive ones.
It dropped the one. Bro, why did you leave me by myself to kill it?
I helped you. I did help you, but I think I killed you. Are you here yet?
Wait, did I I change it?
What do you mean?
I'm coming.
Hi. Okay. Spider's back. Ready?
Already? You have to kill it by yourself. Nice. You know what my stuff is?
It's in the room where we killed the spider. Wait, where actually was that room? Oh, it's in here.
I'm in there now.
Yeah, I think one of us might have touched its web. Yeah, when you were gone, it literally dropped a bunch of these ones.
Oh, there's one here.
That's more than one. Oh no, that already.
Did I even drop any?
It drops this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I say we adventure through here. Do you have your grappler? Do you have your grappler?
I should.
Find you!
In my bag.
I'm too low to fight. Fight it on your own, I can't.
Just run, just run.
Okay. Wait, where is your grappler? Massive
That's a
one.
big one.
I'm too low to fight at the moment.
Same. Charlie, just wait here.
I see it. It's far away.
Charlie, I do have a grappler.
No way. Dr. Raygon.
You really just get a ray out.
So
Grapple to the
first
sky.
I got what'll I get? A massive bag out of the crate. Then I got a ray gun. But then with the oars we're getting no luck.
Grapple up high.
Yeah. Just stay on the ceiling. Wait, what's
Look
what's
at
your
this
health?
thing.
Oh, I'm half health. You know that Valentine's thing?
Yeah,
The
what
hole?
did I do? What did...
You know the hole?
Yeah.
It's chocolate.
Yeah.
There are chocolates inside. It heals you.
There's like 10 over here. Wait.
Ate it. Oh my god, they're so good. I'm at full health. But everything's pink. Maybe it has side effects, I'm not sure. Okay, now everything's back to normal, that's good. Oh, did it actually just go inside of the rock?
We were getting quite good luck out of those crates as well.
Yeah, chocolates.
What?
Eat it, trust me. Everything goes pink for a bit, but it's fine.
That's
Look at your
weird.
health. Wait, should we go down? Should we go down further?
Get these ores first. Get these ores first.
Can't. Is that all we got? But run!
Find the spider! Find the spider!
Oh, okay. I can't. Are you low?
One shot, like actually one shot. Wait, I need.
Ollie,
need
chocolate. What's your health?
Full. But Charlie, you don't understand how low I was. If you would have hit me with your pickaxe, I would have died. Oh no! Here we go further.
Wait, Anna, don't go.
Main.
Don't jump down. Don't jump down. Go around the side. Go into this cave
That's the cave.
over here.
Oh, the other side's the cave.
Hello. You want us to kill you? You want us to
How
kill
low health are you? How low health are you?
I'm full. Get him!
Get him!
Get him!
Get it! We need the lead!
Easy. I can't get that. Also, can you guys also type in the comments if the golden pickaxes can break? Because I need to eat this. Because I've been using golden pickaxes for so long, and mine have never broken. Oh, don't fall! It doesn't look like lava for me because everything's pink again. Okay, back to me.
Wow.
Let's go on an adventure. Oh my god.
What is...
Oh, it's Armstrong. Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Is he good? It's Armstrong! Armstrong!
I thought they removed him from the game. That means Armstrong Cave might still be here. Uh-oh. Spider.
Kill it, kill it, kill it.
Where is it?
I don't know. Yeah, where actually is it?
I don't want to get jumped.
Oh, it's that wall. It's behind that wall.
Oh! Okay. It's here. Come on.
This one?
No,
Do you have a lot in your bag?
not much. Okay, I think we should make our way back. Armstrong.
It's Armstrong! Armstrong!
And the spider!
And the spider!
Armstrong!
Put all my stuff in my bag, hold my bag and get back. And come.
I can't get back because your bag is so heavy.
Coming.
Okay. Stop. Is your bag? It has both of our pickaxes in it.
Okay.
Yes, let's get back. I just want to get out of
I
here.
might as well pick...
Yeah. Pick up everything now since we're going back. Because we can't make this video too long.
Charlie, this is the furthest I can move. I can't pick them up.
Uh-oh. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's over here. Where are you? Okay, let's go.
Johnny, this is the furthest I can move.
I have barely anything in my bag. Wait, where's home? Pull out your bag, we need your light.
There's no light in here.
Yeah, there is. I put your old light in there.
Okay, good. Let me go around this.
Because I think we might be lost. Yeah, I put everything in there. I'm just going to take my pickaxe. Even a crate that we haven't opened yet. All in here.
I swear I dropped stuff. Yeah, I did.
Okay, where are we? Is it down here?
Where did we come from?
I don't know.
I hate these new caves. They're so easy to get lost in. We need to go back to where we came from.
Yeah, but the thing is though, where is that? Where we need to go back to where the
Okay, here.
Okay. So we went here. What way was it? Is it this way?
It had to be here. We were just down here. Huh? Wait, what?
Why is everything different all of a sudden? Oh, aren't we back? Cool, so we're back here again.
I found it.
Oh, finally. Home.
Why was that awfully confusing?
Was it just me, or did it feel like everything, like all the directions just changed?
Changed. Because normally you just go right and down, but we didn't.
Okay, so that's the end of the mine run. Did you
My
just drop your
flashlight.
stuff?
No, I dropped my flashlight. I don't know where it went.
Also, before you sell the crate, there's also a crate in your bag. We need to see what that is first.
Smoke grenade. Don't sell. Sell.
What should we get?
Not bad.
Did you actually just smoke grenade me?
Charlie, you know what I'm saving up for?
What?
So come here. I'm gonna go. I'm getting the fist and I'm getting the sword. I'm gonna go get the fist.
Okay.
Be back. Bye.
I'm gonna hit you like a pinata, boy.
Are you coming?
Hello? I see you. And Babowie! I flung myself a bit far. I see you. Wait for me. I'm behind you. I used this to launch, and it sent me to the end of the skill tree. Oh! That's crazy. You can use that against the mobs. If Ogre Boy looks a bit lovely for you, punch him out of sight. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
How much damage did it actually do?
It did damage. Stop. Okay.
How much damage did it do?
Barely anything, but like. Okay, so
That was
400
fun,
matches won. We are going to need pretty much nothing. We can actually just go our separate ways for Haunted Mansion.
What was that?
Like, I don't know.
Who do you think you are? I'm literally the Hulk.
Okay, am I going to be everything
Charlie.
then for Haunted Mansion?
Do you want to be the Hulk?
No.
You don't want to be the Hulk?
But I'm going. Come on, we need to look for Haunted Mansion. Let's go. Oh, that wasn't.
I think that's our last run, isn't it?
No, actually. Stop. We have Mimic Pipe. Ow.
What's that run?
Yeah, me and Rocky discovered a new area called Mimic Pipe. So we
Is it
gotta
hard?
do Mimic Pipe, the new map, which we probably should have done while we were in the mines.
Should we even do the new map?
Nah, that doesn't really count, to be honest. Let's not do the. Okay, we are not doing the new map. That's official. Yeah, so I don't know where to go. Oh god.
Shall I smash a giant out the park?
Yeah. It doesn't work.
Did it kill?
It killed me, but all my stuff is in one spot. I'm coming back. Hi.
There's so many monsters here!
I know. I don't have my backpack.
You're telling me you came down here out of... I need to
Jimbob? Jimbob? Where are you? I'm at spawn.
You die.
No, I went back. We're gonna need new grapplers. For some reason, I was despawned. Unless it's in my bag. Nope, it's not my bag. Why do they always change everything?
Bro, you can't even play this game without something changing.
Yeah. So we're going to have to get new ones, by the way, or not?
The dumb giant picked
Me up for some reason.
Okay, we're gonna need a plan to get our loot back.
I know my plan. Go for it and don't stop going for it.
Where's my rupfall? Where's my grappler? Okay, we can have to not use our grapplers. Turn it off. Okay, where is it? Where's the haunted mansion?
There isn't a haunted mansion down here anymore.
Isn't it?
I don't know. Should we just skip this run?
No, we don't. We can't skip a run.
We have to. It's not even down here.
No, I know it's here. They didn't remove it. It's here. It's somewhere. Okay. Let's see. Let's check another area.
I don't like this chicken. Wait, hold up. Let me get this chicken out of here. Come here. Come here.
Smash the chicken out of the pot. Wait, you're actually being outrun by a chicken. Actually, no. There is a phrase called not a phrase, but there's something called you can't catch a chicken. Whoa.
Shut up.
Damn. Okay, I actually think I saw. Don't hit me. I actually think I saw. Wow.
I didn't mean to.
I think I saw another dark area down here. Come down. Let's go. Where are you going? Let's go. No, this is chicken.
Should we do the chicken run first?
Might as well. The aim of the chicken one is to get its egg. So basically, what I'm gonna do is egg acquired.
That was easy.
It's actually really smooth to run with this egg. Now that's the only dark area here.
They actually removed it.
I don't think they did. And no, they couldn't have, because I used a... Okay, should we cheat and use the glitch way? Because it is still here, because me and Rocky used the glitch way and we got to it. Yeah, we're gonna have to use the glitch. We need an umbrella though. Run!
I didn't think he would.
Go.
What is this guy?
Why are you putting your Hulk hands in my bag?
To get it back to you.
Hi. Okay. Thanks.
I don't know where the egg. Oh,
you
where
want
did I
to
put my stuff? Where?
You put it in your bag.
Why did I put that in my bag?
Wait, where's the egg?
Yeah, the egg went flying.
We need to get the
I
egg.
don't know where the egg went.
I mean, we technically
Get the run.
We need yeah. You know I'm able to buy umbrellas at spawn now?
Are you?
Yeah, we didn't need to come here. That's fine. Okay, where is it? Where's the umbrella?
Yes, we did need to come here. Because look.
The boombox. Okay, let's get this party started. Okay, let me show you how to glitch to the haunted mansion. Ready? Go to the same glitch spot. Okay, come over here. Go further across.
I fell!
Kill yourself down there and come back with an umbrella. It's a rainy day. With chickens screaming everywhere. Any day now, mister.
Where are you?
I'm in the glitch spot. Come to the glitch. With an umbrella.
Why don't we just do the new map?
Where are you?
At least just have the dog.
It doesn't only take you to the new map, trust me. Come back and I'll show you why we need umbrellas. So there.
I'm just getting an umbrella.
Hey Daniel, Jim Bob. Sorry about this video having a lot of waiting. It's everyone, I mean, come on. And for some reason the Haunted Mansion is so hard to find. Don't even ask me why. So, we're gonna have to glitch to it, and there's Jim Bob running for his life like a turkey. The life of Animal Company.
Oh, why can't I move?
Jim Bob, why are you flying around? Okay, come here. Come here, boy. Okay, lean over the edge. Do you see those two balls? The top, the bottom one is the bottom layer where the orb is, and the top one is the layer where all the gems are. If you float to that, you'll be in it. Try to aim for the top one. 3, 2, 1. It's dark because for some reason I'm inside of a dark area. I can barely see the circles.
I made.
I made it.
Do you have a pickaxe?
Yep. Do you? Did you actually? Did you die?
Johnny, drop me back, drop me back.
Take my bag. I'll use my gravity gun to get the ones that fly away. Where are the ones that flew away? Oh, I see one. I missed. Got it.
Yoink.
I've got another one. Okay, now to get these. Oh, don't want to fall. Oh. Do you want me to use the grav gun? Okay. Right, go try to get some more blues. Uh-oh, no!
I'm coming down, stay down.
Okay, get the ones beneath. There are so many blues down here. The only problem is we don't have grapplers. That was fine. Get it, quick. Okay. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me... No! Okay, let me just retrieve that. Got it. Okay, drink it. No, we can get more. Okay, can put it...
Get to that one back before the car.
Where is it?
Should we
Wait,
sell now?
Wait.
Wait, it's coming to us. It's coming to us. It's coming to us. It's coming to us.
Jump up here. Whoa!
Can't jump.
Wait, don't go that way. Look. Take this.
Charlie, for me.
Take the gravity gun and shoot yourself up. I bought you one. Put it on blue and shoot yourself up. You don't even need to climb up to do it. Just shoot it from the bottom. Make sure it's blue. Let's go! I don't think I have... Oh yeah, that is my bag. I just remembered that. Okay. Drop it. Don't drop it from the bottom. It will mostly fly. It most likely. Yeah. Oh, okay. That was the one. Wait, if I touch it. Ah!
Quick, put it in, quick.
But everything's upside down when you touch it.
Charlie, put it in, put it
Wait,
in.
I'm on the, wait, no, it's actually, it doesn't look like what it looks like for you. I'm upside down. I'm literally climbing the roof. You can
Don't click
touch
that.
it. It just puts the world upside down. Now that's better.
We should get like 7,000.
Okay, can I have my bag back?
Wow.
You know what? To be fair, not bad.
I think that's the last run,
Okay,
really, isn't it?
that is, well, I don't know. Probably, I'd say we don't do the new map. We might do that just separately for a video. Hope you guys enjoyed all the maps. And time for a celebration.
celebrate.
Get all the Uwu bags. Okay, get them all in one pile.
Uwu bag. Uwu bag
Get the
over here.
Uwu bags. This is going to be our signature celebration from now on. Okay. Now for the
And if we do
dynamite.
cover this.
Go ready to cover your ears, mister.
I can't get them yet.
Me neither. We have to wait a bit. Yeah, I've got quite a lot. What I'm saying is I've lost today, not even just this video, more money than I've earned. I have spent 50k today, and I've got back 15k. Finally. Blow 'em up! Yeah! Blow up the Uwu bags! Ah, this is why I like the celebration. They go everywhere. What?
And one more for good luck.
Yes. Wait, stand on it. Wait, put it down and stand on it. Ready? Ready? Jump. Wait, jump. 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 I didn't go.
Yeah!
That's our
Get me a
celebration.
bag.
I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later. I will be in your bed tonight. Bye.